Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what next after filing the DS-160. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process for immigrant and non-immigrant visas. To simplify the immigration process, to give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from NVC and USCIS websites. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. Now, once you file this 160, make sure you have your application ID and security questions. That's the most important thing when you are filing this 160, because if you don't remember them, there is no way to recover your this 160. And my advice, do not submit this 160 until you receive a confirmation email from embassy or consulate in your country, like this one right here. So they're gonna tell you that's the first step. You gotta wait for embassy or consulate email, which is confirmation, to submit this 160 and schedule interview. They're gonna send you an email like this one right here, telling you this email is confirmation that you may now schedule your interview appointment at U.S. embassy or consulate in your country. Once now you have this email, you can submit your DS-160 and print the confirmation page like this one right here. You must have 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters passport like photo to your interview, or sometime you can do it during your interview. During filing your DS-160. Now, once now you printed your DS-160, it's time to go and create your profile. It is very simple. That's step 3. Create your profile. It is very simple. I have a video on my channel on how to do that if you want to watch it. If not, just go to www.ustraveldocs.com and click on your user right here at the bottom right here, and then follow the steps. It is very simple. You will need a valid email address and then your full name and date of birth, and create your profile. Once you create your profile and you have your login credentials and you log in to your profile, that's step 4. Log in to your profile. Once you log in now to your profile, it's gonna look like this. You have this is options that you can do on your visa application. The first thing you need to do is pay the visa fee. How you do that? It is very simple. Just follow the steps. I have a video in my channel on how to do that as well. It is very simple. You can go to your account and print the slips and take them to the bank that are associated with the embassy or consulate in your country. You gotta remember, the visa fee is not refundable. Once you pay, there is no way, if you didn't get the visa, there is no way to get your money back. So it's not refundable. This is the visa slips. We took it to the bank as a cash, and then they will, according to the exchange rate, you will have these slips right here. You will get it from your profile or account. Now, once you have all that, now you must schedule interview. That's step 5. Schedule interview. And how to do that? Just click on schedule my appointment, and I have a video on my channel as well on how to do that. Just watch that video. It is a very detailed video on how to schedule interview for K1 visa. Now, once now you schedule an interview, this is how we do it, by the way. You click on new application or schedule appointment, and then follow the steps. Then pick a date that will work for you. Please, rescheduling the interview. It is very hard and he's gonna give you a headache. Make sure you pick the time or the and date that will work for you. Once you do that now, you will have a confirmation email from embassy or consulate in your country telling you that you have scheduled the visa interview appointment, and they're going to give you the date and the time where you will have your interview. Make sure you check this confirmation email with you to interview date. So, step 6, schedule medical exam. You must schedule a medical exam and must be with a physician that is accredited by your embassy or consulate in your country. Also, they call them approved physicians. And just if you go online and look for your embassy or consulate, you will have a list of doctors approved by your embassy or consulate in your country. Now, that's step 7. Gather supporting documents. You will need first DS-160 confirmation page must be filled and print the confirmation page. You need a passport, valid travel. You must have a passport that is not expired. You need a birth certificate, divorce of death certificate. You need a police certificate, medical examination, evidence of financial support. That's the most important. Is I-134. You will need that, and you must, for this is it will be for a petitioner, and he must make enough money to bring your fiancé. You need a 2x2 photographs and evidence of relationship with U.S. citizen fiancé, like text messaging, emails, anything that will flight ticket, anything that will work with your ticket, anything that you will see will work with your case. Ticket to interview. Sometimes they ask for something that you don't even have. Like I have some people, they ask for a high school, for example. Just make sure you take everything that you will see work for your case. And the payment of fee. Do not forget your slips that you pay the fee. Even you paid when you scheduled your interview, but you must take it with you to interview. Now, attend the interview. Now, at the date of interview, you will go to interview. You will have the beneficiary or applicant will have interview with consular officer, and then if he sees something, if he see everything is fine, he will issue the visa. Like this one right here is a K1 visa. If you see something wrong, this is a visa issued. You will and you will receive your packet within a 10 business day to the courier that you choose. If something goes wrong and the officer sees something is missing from your visa packet, it will be refused. And then when it's refused, it's gonna go under 221G. And if you submitted the required document that the consular officer asked you, and if everything is fine, you will issue the visa again. If not, you will go under administrative processing. With this one right here, with this test right here, nobody knows how long it's gonna take. So it's gonna be from 1 week, 2 years. I know some people it's been 2 years and did not receive a decision under administrative processing. So this is just the steps what happened next after filing DS-160, just to have an idea what's going on after that step. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.